Yo, what's up guys? My name is Leonie from Maison Modern. People call it Memo. And Memo is Cameroon's fastest growing furniture manufacturing company. After 21 years living and working in England, I moved back to Cameroon to set up a furniture company. Now we make all types of furniture. I'm talking about office furniture, beds, kitchen fittings, guest houses, hotels, schools, whatever furniture you want. We have a solid team in place that will manufacture any furniture for you in Douala, Bonaberi, and distribute it across the country. Now, we only use heavy duty metal or leather or PH7 or whatever furniture you want. We'll ensure that we use the highest possible quality. Now, look at this bed here. This has 100% been designed and manufactured by Maison Modern right here in Bonaberi. It's going to a hotel. I'm talking about the Admiralty Hotel in Bamenda. So, like it, share it, repost it. My name is Leonie. Peace and ciao.